I'm a 20-year-old guy who loves to travel, create, and explore. So, hi, I'm Ashish Vora. So, I run this startup called as Jaipur Social, which is a community-based platform. Alongside this, I'm an ACC affiliate by profession, which is Associate of Chartered Certified Accountants. Alongside all this, I'm just another human being who loves to listen to people's opinion and then give his perspective about the topic. I'm a national level debater who loves to public speak and who have been doing this since past 6-7 years now. This idea, Jaipur Social, so it was a very impromptu idea since day one. So it's a community-based platform, as I said, to connect like-minded people. So it was just another day of the lockdown when I was sitting with a friend of mine and we were just discussing the scenario of Jaipur and the artist community of the Jaipur, which was very unorganized. There are so many artists in the city, but there is no as such organized platform where they can come and explore their talent. So this is how Jaipur Social comes into existence. So this was our first idea to create a space for the artist. This was not any business idea or something like that. It was just out of passion, out of willingness to do something for the artist of the city. So we started with the first community, that was the artist community, and then one thing led to another, and then we initiated the public speaking community, which was the first public speaking community of the city. We started with like around 20 debaters of the city, and now the current scenario is that there are more than 400 public speakers of the city actively participating in all the debating, public speaking, ambience and everything. Now we have 4 communities. As I said, the first community, the artist community; the second, the public speaking community; the third, the photographers community, again which is an open space and an organized space where we give them commercial work and we give them a space where they can explore their talent; and the fourth community being the startups and business community, where we have a marketing firm where we do social media marketing and offline marketing for the brands. We create indirect marketing campaigns and that too about the brands. So this is all about Jaipur Social, and not all this, there is a lot that we have on the plate. We are just trying to expand the horizon and trying to do everything that makes a change in the city of Jaipur, and something that Jaipurites are not been aware of and not usual of seeing. So we do a lot of offline events. We do everything that creates a change and try to create a change. It's just been around 14 months since I've started this community, and now if I talk about the current scenario, the core team is that we are 2 co-founders, and then we have a team of 14 people working with us. Alongside this, there is a community, as I stated, that is running. So the community consists of more than 800 people, active members, and then if I talk about the overall audience that we have on our brand is more than 11,000 active audience. And that is about it. We have like different teams that are working for all the communities, different teams that are taking care of all the communities. So every community, as I stated, there are 4 communities, so every community has a team of like 10-12 people who are separately taking care of that particular community. Hardest decision was a personal decision that I would like to share, was that, as I stated, I'm an ACC affiliate. So I never liked to plan something, but still this was a basic plan that was stuck in my mind as any other professional affiliate. That was, whenever I'm done with my degree, I would probably, go further and would explore more of my degree to some other country, probably in Middle East or something. And I was planning to shift to some other country and do more of the ACCA stuff, the finance stuff. But then, my passion towards this and how much I love to work towards this community made me change my decision. And this was the hardest decision still that I'm facing till date. That is to choose Jaipur Social rather than my professional work. The problem that we are facing is that it's not just about selling your product or selling your services in this city. It's about, firstly, we have to educate the people of this city, like what is marketing. We have to tell them that marketing is an investment rather than just an expense to their brand. We have to tell them the concepts of marketing, and then we can go to the exact pitching and everything. So it's just planning and execution of 2 days. 2 days takes around like 15 to 20 days, just because we have to educate people first in everything and not just marketing. Keeps me going is the reaction of the people. And as I stated, the community is totally transparent. Firstly, the community is totally visible, community is totally online. So whatever is happening, I'm just getting a reaction at the same day. If I'm doing an online event, I'm getting a reaction at the same day. If I'm doing even if I'm posting anything online, even if I'm posting any random thing, I'm getting the reaction at that moment. So that keeps me going, because touch with the reaction has been amazing till date, and that helps us to do something out of the box. And that is the reason why we are planning a lot of new things, just so that get that positive reaction.